Okay, two stories about flying. There are two parts. First is his first flight. Second is black aeroplane. So today we will read first his first flight. Okay. So let me read the topic first. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away. He failed to muster up courage to take that plunge, which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. Okay, let's understand. His first flight. Okay, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge means nest, shelter. Okay, so here a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall or a cliff. Cliff माने गोटे पत्थर हो कि गोटे वाल हो ता पाखरे गोटे हॉराइजॉन्टल सेल्फ भलिया थिबो सेठी से रेस्ट नोथिबे शेल्टर नोथिबे सीगल ए गर्ल गर्ल माने गोटे बर्ड हाँ the young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. The day before माने ता पूर्व दिनरू से ओडिया शिखी गले ऑलरेडी किए से यंग सीगल रो दिजन भाई आउ गोटे भौणी सिस्टर okay had already been or flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Okay, किंतु ये जो सीगल टा डरुची ओडिया को डरुची he is afraid of flying. Somehow when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. So the young seagull is very much afraid of flying. Why? Because if he thinks if he fails to fly, then he may drown in the sea. Okay. He felt certain that his wings should never support him. So he had lack of self-confidence. Okay. He had lack of self-confidence. That's why he is afraid. Okay. He believes that if his wings does not suppose or do not suppose, if his wings do not suppose, he will die. He will drown in the water, in the sea, and will die. So he has a lack of self-confidence and he had no belief on his wings. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. ତେଣୁ ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି ସେ ଆଉ ଯାଉନି. He does not try to fly anymore but stays in the ledge. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. So, although his two brothers and sister, his little sister, were able to fly, having shorter wings than him. ସେଇ ସିଗଲ୍ ୟଙ୍ଗ ସିଗଲ୍ ଠୁ ଆହୁରି ଛୋଟ ୱିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅଛି, ତା ଭଉଣୀର ତା ଯେଉଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଭାଇର ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଛୋଟ ୱିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଅଛି, ତଥାପି ସେମାନେ ଉଡ଼ିବା ଶିଖି ସାରିଲେଣି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ଡରୁଛି। ହି ଇଜ୍ ଅନଏବଲ୍ ଟୁ, ଦ ୟଙ୍ଗ ସିଗଲ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅନଏବଲ୍ ଟୁ ମଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ୍ କରେଜ୍। ମଷ୍ଟର ମିନ୍ସ କଲେକ୍ଟ, ଗ୍ୟାଦର, କଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବା, ମଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ୍ କରେଜ୍ ଟୁ ଟେକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପ୍ଲଞ୍ଜ। ସେ ଜମ୍ପ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବା ଉଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ତାର କରେଜ୍ ନାହିଁ, ସାହସ ଜୁଟେଇ ପାରୁନି ସେ। ହିଜ୍ ଫାଦର ଆଣ୍ଡ ମଦର ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ କମ୍ ଆରାଉଣ୍ଡ calling to him shrilly. Shrilly means loud cry, loud noise. Upbraiding him, upbraiding ମାନେ scolding him, ତାକୁ ଗାଳି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଚିଲଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ପ୍ରତି ନଏଜ୍ କରିକି। threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. ତ ଯଦି ସେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ନ ଶିଖିବ ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ, ତାକୁ ସେ ଭୋକିଲା ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ, ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଭିଂ କରିକି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ। ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଭ ମାନେ ଭୋକିଲା, ହଙ୍ଗ୍ରି। ଓକେ, ତାକୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ କିଛି ଦେବେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଧମକଉଛନ୍ତି, ମଧ୍ୟ ଗାଳି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଧମକଉଛନ୍ତି, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କ'ଣ କରିବ ସେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇକି ସେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଶିଖିବ। ବଟ୍ ଫର୍ ଦ ଲାଇଫ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହିମ୍ ହି କୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ମୁଭ୍। କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ଜୀବନ ଭୟରେ କାଳେ ମରିଯିବ, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି, ସେ ଲେଜ୍ରେ ହିଁ ରହୁଛି, ଡଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ମୁଭ୍, ଟିକେ ବି ମୁଭ୍ କରୁନି ବା ଟ୍ରାଏ କରୁନି ଉଡ଼ିବାକୁ। ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ 24 hours ago, 24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ, ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ସିନ୍ସ ଦେ ନୋବଡି ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ କମ୍ ନିୟର୍ ହିମ୍ ଦ ଡେ ବିଫୋର୍, all day long he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister. ତ 24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହେଇଗଲାଣି, ତା ପାଖକୁ କେହି ବି ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି, ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ତା ପାଖକୁ କେହି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ସେ କେବଳ ଦେଖୁଛି his parents, brothers and sister flying, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. So the parents, the father seagull and the mother seagull, were giving training to the young ones. The two brothers and one little sister of the seagull are trained by the parents how to catch fish, how to dive in the water. Okay, he had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring. herring ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି ମାଛର ନାଁ, ହେଲା, ମାଛର ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ହେରିଙ୍ଗ ଫିସ୍, ଯେମିତି ତୁମର ଭାକୁର, ରୋହି ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଥାଏ, ସେମିତି ହେରିଙ୍ଗ ଫିସ୍। ତ ତା ଯେଉଁ ବିଗ୍ ବ୍ରଦର ଥିଲା ବା ଏଲ୍ଡର ବ୍ରଦର ଥିଲା, ସେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାଚ୍ ତାର ଧରିଛି ବା ପ୍ରଥମ ଶିକାର କରିଛି, ହେରିଙ୍ଗ ଫିସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଧରିଛି। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିଭୋର୍ ଇଟ୍, ଡିଭୋର୍ ମାନେ ଗିଳି ପକାଇବା, ଗୋଟା ଗିଳି ପକାଇବା, ଡିଭୋର୍। ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅନ୍ ଏ ରକ୍ while his parents circled around raising a proud cackle, and all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. ତ ସେ ଯେଉଁ cowardice, ଯେ କାୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଥିଲା, ଇଏ ଡରକୁରା ସିଗଲ୍ ଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ସେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖେଇକି ସେମାନେ ଉଡ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ପାଖାପାଖି ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ସେ ବି ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ। ଦ ସନ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ନାଉ ascending the sky. ascending the sky ମାନେ ଉପରକୁ ଉପରକୁ ଉଠୁଛି, ଦିନ ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛି। blazing on, blazing ମାନେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟକିରଣର ତୀବ୍ରତା ବଢ଼ୁଛି, ବ୍ରାଇଟନେସ୍ ବଢ଼ୁଛି। the sun is shining brighter and brighter. his legs that faced the south, he felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. ଗତ ରାତିରୁ ସେ କିଛି ବି ଖାଇନି। he stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other. এই এଜ୍ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିକି ସେ ସେମିତି ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛି, and pretended to be falling asleep, ଶୋଇଲା ଭଳିଆ ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛି, ପ୍ରିଟେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି। still they took no notice of him. They means the family, the parents, the two brothers and the sister. They do not notice of the young seagull. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. ତ ସେ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ରୁ ତା ବାପା କ'ଣ କରୁଛି, ପ୍ରିନିଂ କରୁଛି। ପ୍ରିନିଂ କରୁଛି ମାନେ ସେ ପାଣି ସେଥିରେ ଯେଉଁ ଅଛି ସେଥିରୁ ଛଡ଼େଇକି ତାକୁ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ପରକୁ ତା ୱିକ୍ସକୁ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତା ଫାଦର। only his mother was looking at him. Mother is always a mother, always kind, always caring for the children. So the mother is looking at him, She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Now and again, she tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. So the mother is trying to tear some fish. ସେ କିଛି ମାଛ ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ତା ମା ମଦର ସିଗଲ ସେ ରକ୍ ଉପରେ ଦ ସାଇଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଫୁଡ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡେଣ୍ଡ ହିମ୍ ତ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଖିକି ଦ ସାଇଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଖିକିରି ଫିସ୍ ଦେଖିକିରି ଦ ୟଙ୍ଗ ସିଗଲ ବିକମ୍ ସୋ ମ୍ୟାଡ୍ ପୁରା ପାଗଳ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଗଲା କାହିଁକି ବିକଜ୍ ହି ହାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଇଟେନ୍ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ ସିନ୍ସ ଦ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ନାଇଟ୍ ଦ ସାଇଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଫୁଡ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡେଣ୍ଡ ହିମ୍ how he loved to tear food that way, scraping his beak now and again to whet it. Whet means to sharpen it. Ga, ga, ga. He cried, begging her to bring him some food. Ga, kol, ah, she screamed back derisively. Derisively means in a manner showing someone that she or he is stupid. तो ता माँ स्क्रीम कर जो से खाद्य चिल्लाऊँ गा 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 करके यंग सीगल वाज स्क्रीमिंग but he kept calling plaintively and after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream. Why? His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it. So the seagull became so happy to see his mother flying towards him with a piece of fish. तो जो देखला ता माँ गोटे खंडे माछ धरिकी उड़िकी आसुछन ता आडकू the young seagull became so happy expecting the food. Okay, he leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted. किंतु जेतेबेले ता अपोजिट ता सामने जेतेबेले थिले ता माँ सेठी से रहीगले. Her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He waited a moment in surprise. See, young seagull जो देखला ता माँ ताको खाइबा दौ ना ता सामने केवल उड़िकी अच्छी स्टाच्यू होगी अच्छा कि से खाया दौ ना तो से से यंग सीगलटा सरप्राइज होची. व्हाई द मदर इज नॉट गिविंग मी फूड वंडरिंग व्हाई सी डिड नॉट कम नियरर एंड देन मैडन बाय हंगर ही डाइव्ड एट द फिश. तो एमती भोकरे पूरा मैड होगी से फिश आड़ को से डाइव कला. With a loud scream he fell outwards and downwards into space. तापर जेतेबेले ता माँ खाया दौ नथिले से जंप करदेला हठात कि खाइबा आड़ को खाइबा तो धरी पारलानी तो से कौन है तल को खसी पड़ला डाउनवर्ड एंड आउटवर्ड फ्रॉम द लेज से जो रॉक थिला से रॉक उपरू तल को खसी पड़ला पानी आड़ को. देन ए मॉन्स्ट्रस टेरर सीज्ड हिम. ता भितरे बहुत भय भरीगला. टेरर माने भय फियर पूरा भयभीत हो गला से. एंड हिज हार्ट स्टूड स्टिल. ता हार्टबीट जमी बंद हो गला. ही कुड हियर नथिंग. से किसी जानी पारनी कौन घटुच. ही कुड हियर नथिंग बट इट ओनली लास्टेड ए मिनिट. किंतु ये जो भयटा मात्र गोटे मिनिट पाई लास्टिंग कला कहीं द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ही फेल्ट हिज विंग्स स्प्रेड आउटवर्ड्स. तो नेक्स्ट मोमेंट रे से कौन करची ता विंग्स स्प्रेड हो जाइए. The wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. Okay? ता से जो पवन बाजुची ता देहरे से विंग्स रे से पवन को मध्य काटी काटी की उड़ुची. He was not falling headlong now. से बर्तमान आउ तले पड़ी जाउनी. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. तो से धीरे धीरे ऊपर को उठुची. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. से आओ भयभीत है कि नहीं डरूनी से आओ because he is now able to fly. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Ga 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 ga. Ga kol ah. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. So his mother, the young seagull's mother was flying across him around the seagull, young seagull. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him with screaming. तापर ता बापा भी उड़ी आसले ता पाकू. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. तो समस्ते आसिक से young seagull पाखरे उड़िया को आरंभ कले. They gave the company of flying with the young seagull. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commended himself to dive and soar and curve and shrieking shrilly. तापर से के भूलीगला जैसे के एमती डरुला कौन करने उड़िया डरुला बोले से भूलीगला. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him. से तले देखला गोटे बहुत बड़ समुद्र, ओके, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. तो सेठू टिके कर्व होइक उड़िया को आरंभ कला बहुत खुशी रे. amusedly माने very happily. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead him. Green flooring माने ए समुद्र पानी रे समाने सेठू लैंड कले. ता brothers, sisters, parents लैंड कले. They were beckoning to him. Beckoning माने welcoming. Beckon, 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 beckon माने welcome. तो समाने तक welcome करचंदी कौन पाई? To land on the sea, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. तापरे से little young seagull तापरे से पानी रे लैंड कला. His legs sank into it. ता गोड़ बुड़ी गला पानी भितरे. He screamed with fright. पुंट के डर रे ता भितरे डर आसी गला, छनका पसी गला, चिलेला. Attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. So he attempted to fly again, but he was tired and weak with hunger. So he was so hungry. As he was very hungry, he was tired too. He could not rise to fly, exhausted, being so tired by the strange exercise. Strange exercise here means of flying, the strange exercise of flying. This is strange, this is completely new for the young seagull. So he was so exhausted, so tired. His feet sank into the green sea and then his belly touched it. तापर जब पाद बुड़ी गला तापर ता पेट भी मध्य पानी लाई गला belly, and he sank no farther. तापर से बुड़िया बुड़ी पारला नहीं बुड़ला नहीं माने से भाष्य को आरंभ कला. That means this is the actual diving and swimming in the river, swimming in the sea. He was floating on it. The young seagull was now floating on the sea water, and around him his family was screaming. तापरे ता family ता चारिपटर screaming करचंदी, चिल्लाउचंदी, praising him, ताको प्रशंसा भी करचंदी. Wow, you did the best, or you did what you should do. And their beaks were offering him scraps of dog fish. जो dog fish आनिथिले से dog fish रो scraps रही खंड खंड करिकि से ताको से young seagull को खाया को दउथले. He had made his first flight. So now the young seagull has made his first flight. Okay, so this is the story of his first flight. His first flight here means the first flight of the young seagull. How he conquered over his fear, how he beat the fear to overcome his fear, and gradually or finally he was able to fly and swim in the sea water, which is very much essential for a bird. For a bird, it is very much essential to fly, for a flying bird. Why? Because if he is not able to fly, the livelihood will not be there. He will not be able to live or survive, because he will not, if he will not live or if he will not fly, he can't get any food. Eventually, the hunting birds or other animals will kill him. So it is very much necessary for a bird to fly, to learn to fly and learn to find some food. That's why the parents were scolding him. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତା ବାପା ମା ତାକୁ ଗାଳି ଦଉଥିଲେ, ଯଦ୍ୱାରା କି ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଶିଖିବ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଶିଖିବ. ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଶିଖିଲେ ସେ ଆଉ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରିବନି ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଉପରେ. ଓକେ, so this is the end of the topic. Okay.